Sesama berjanji, susah senang dirasa. Di bawah sinar cahaya bulan bintang, menjadi saksi janji kami semua.
Saya dari 5 UiTM ingin mengucapkan terima kasih cikgu atas ilmu kami cikgu, kami sayang cikgu. Bulan bintang bersinar berkelipat dan menerangi keindahan alam. Tanpamu tanpamu bintang hilanglah keindahan. Ini kisah tentang bulan, bulan bintang jadi kawan. Begitulah persahabatan yang juga kami eratkan. Semoga kekal selamanya. Begitulah kami hidup 5 sekawan, sesama berjanji, susah senang dirasa. Di bawah sinar cahaya bulan bintang, menjadi saksi janji kami semua. Cikgu suka video kan? Ya, yang tadi baju besar. Habis set akhirnya okey. Gitu.
Masihkah kau mengingat di saat kita masih 7
Piwi gelap lah deh. Sarah,
waktu di mana tanggal merah terasa meriah. Masihkah kau ingat cobaan terberat kita materi? Masihkah kau ingat lagu di radio yang merdu mengudara?
video. Cikgu hai.
Kita masih sebebas itu, rasa takut yang tak pernah mengganggu batas naluri bahaya. Dulu tingginya melebihi logika. Putaran bumi dan waktu yang terus berjalan menempa kita. Walau kini kita terpisah, namun jiwaku tetap di sana. Oh, di masa rasa takut yang tak pernah mengganggu, di masa naluri bahaya.
Sweater from when you dropped the joy, I can't help but look that it gets better.
make me feel okay. Even if you're just gonna lie to me, I can't get you out of my head. Look up at the sky, the clouds turning gray. Think I need some space. Say you need me now, but I'm always running late. Things are going down now, I'm feeling out of place. Think I'll hit you back, yeah, I wanted you to stay. Call back if you want, prefer to not recall that. Second guessing when it's blaming on myself. You wanna teach a lesson, but it really doesn't help. And I've been thinking about regression for the sake of my own health. Hard enough to never catch your breath. Strong enough that I can hold you away. It's not enough to make the same mistakes. You're going away, but you don't wanna stay.
From where we began,
No, we started.
oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Tell you.
When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond. And that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn. And that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way.
And with that, the 2023 season comes to an end. Good night.
And Sarah.
I'm not finished.
Masuk ya.
Mau bikin sendiri, cuci baju jalannya ke kapan sendiri. Apalagi bila tanggal tua mendekati, aku bagai budak yang tak punya istri. Memang nasihat begini, semuanya apa-apa ku lakukan sendiri. Lama-lama mumet juga kalau begini. Sekarang
Dua selidut. Ada balik. Ada balik.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
About you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond. And that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood comes first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line.
Tahun ini merupakan tahun akhir kamu berada di sekolah. Kamu akan menduduki SPM. Cikgu doakan kamu dapat usaha cemerlang dalam SPM, mendapat kerja yang bagus, dapat berbakti pada ibu bapa, semua tu atas diri kamu sendiri. Ingat cikgu dalam doa kamu.
And every road you take will always lead you home. Oh.
Sayu terpisah, hikayat indah kini hanya tinggal sejarah. Berhembus angin rindu, begitu nyamannya terhidu wangian kasihmu. Hujan lebat mencurah kini, bagaikan tiada henti. Kaulah laguku, kau irama terindah, tak lagi ku dengari. Kau pergi, terdiam dan kaku, tak daya kau ku lupa. Apa usia. Hujan lebat mencurah kini, bagaikan tiada henti. Kaulah laguku, kau irama terindah, tak lagi ku dengari. Kau pergi, bagaikan tiada